Hey guys, now that you have everything installed, let's go ahead and get started building our very first React Native application. I'm very excited. Before we start doing any coding though, we're going to do a little planning. I'm going to go ahead and open up our wireframe for our very first application. So the application that we're going to build is called To-Do Master. It's a simple to-do list application. You can add a task with this text input field. You have your list of tasks, of course. You can complete the task, and when you complete a task, it gets crossed out and goes on the completed task section. Then you can delete those tasks that are completed if you don't want to see it anymore. And the cool thing about this application is that we're going to code it in a way so that you can open and close the application on your phone and it'll remember all the data that's on there. So you can open it one time and then open it another time, and all those tasks that you had previously will show up again. So it's a really convenient one to have on your phone. And of course, this one will teach you a lot of those fundamental skills that you need to get started really building out your own React Native applications. With that being said, let's go ahead and begin. The first thing that we're going to need to do is open our terminal. A convenient way to do that would be to use the Spotlight feature. To do that, I'm just going to press Command Space to open Spotlight. Then I'm going to type in terminal. Then press an enter and this launches my terminal. Terminal is an application where you can execute text-based commands, and it's similar to Finder where you can navigate in and out of folders called directories and explore files. So right now I'm in my coding directory. I'm going to go ahead and make a directory for React. And then I'm going to change my current directory into that directory that I just created by doing the cd command. So the make dir command, that will create directories or folders or what have you, and the cd command changes into that directory. It's kind of like clicking onto that folder and now I'm within that folder. So within here, I'm going to go ahead and execute my React Native command. I'm going to do React Native init to do master. And I like to capitalize my React Native projects so that way it's capitalized within the iOS file. It'll make more sense later, so just go ahead and capitalize it for now. So I'm going to go ahead and execute this command shortly. It's going to take 1 or 2 minutes to fully execute because React is going to execute a bunch of scripts. You'll see a lot of feedback on your terminal, and that's basically the React Native application being built. So go ahead and execute that command and wait for it to finish and go ahead and jump to the next video where we start exploring the code.